Hello, I'm Jason Strong Ahead. About how do you double your capital gains, right? Using this market crash 2020. Now, if you know which stocks to pick and you pick the right ones, as the market recover, this price probably will go up more than the market. And that is where you have the potential to double your capital returns. And I'm going to share with you what kind of companies that you should be looking at. Now, this is definitely not any recommendation. It is just my opinion about what I would do, okay, in order for me to have a chance to double my capital gains. So I'm no professional and I'm not a certified planner. So if you are looking to take a position, please do your own homework or consult a professional consultant. Okay, so let me start. Now, if you are looking for stocks that gives you good return, the first thing is you can only do that with fundamentally strong stocks. So what do you mean by fundamentally strong stocks? So for instance, of course, this is not an exhaustive list. It's just two of the items. So you please do your own homework and go and study, right? What do you mean by fundamentally strong stocks? So two of the elements will be, for example, they have got very low debt and they have got very strong cash flow. So when you don't have a lot of debts and you have very strong cash flow, there's a high chance that during this economical downturn, this kind of company would probably be able to pull through. Yeah. So what will be considered high risk company? Then the opposite will be true. If you have a lot of debts and you don't have a lot of cash flow, then these stocks will be considered high risk stocks. So look for low risk stocks. So what will be the stocks that can double your investment? I have written down using 3 rules. So you can follow these 3 rules to go and look for stocks that can meet these 3 requirements. Okay, the first one is the fundamentally strong stocks would at least, right, be beaten down by 40 to 50%. Now, why is it so? Because as the market recover, okay, so they will recover back its original price. From 50%, they recover back to its original price. You would have made 100% return. So that's the reason why, if you're able to choose stocks like that, there's a potential return of doubling your capital gains. The second one will be, they must be fundamentally strong, okay? Fundamentally strong. And the third one is not really a must-have, but it will be a bonus if the stock has a good story behind its business. So for example, like Tesla, for example, like Amazon, for example, like Facebook, okay? So these are the kind of stocks whereby there's a lot of potential, there's a lot of opportunity, right, for the stock to grow further in the future. And because of that, this stock tends to grow a lot more faster, right, okay, when the market recover. Yeah, so I'm going to share with you some of the stocks which I feel would have a potential for doubling. So for example, this is a very strong, fundamentally strong company called Exxon. So Exxon has been beaten down for over more about for 50 to 60%. Okay, so for instance, okay, at its highest, at its peak, it was over $100. But let's not look at its peak. Right now it's at $36.95. So if you're able to buy in at this price, and the moment this stock recovers to $80, you have made 116% total capital gains, right, from this investment. Not bad, right? But of course, there's some risk to it. Okay, so please do your own homework, because this stock, the stock price, right, will correlate with the oil price. So if the oil price is going to go down further, and then it will impact this stock as well. However, if you are able to wait it out for long enough, and if you believe that oil price will also recover and this company will also recover, then the moment you recover, you probably will have a good gain. The other one would be another stock that is tagged to oil. It's OXY. Yeah. So OXY right now it's at $11.61. The moment it goes back up, don't even need to look at $60. Just look at $33. You have an upside of 184% return on your capital. Okay. So other stocks, which this is one of my favorite, it will be Bank of America. Now, do you believe Bank of America will close now? Obviously, I don't believe that Bank of America will close now. And Bank of America, it has came down by quite a lot. Yeah. So from $43, okay, even its peak is not $43, it's even more than that. Yeah. So imagine it came down to $21. If you got it at $21.60, the moment it recovers to $43, you will get a 99% return on your capital. So these are the kind of stocks whereby I feel fundamentally strong. Okay, it will not close now, and there's a potential. It has beaten down by more than 40 to 50%. So the moment it recover, it will give you almost a double it will double your capital gains. Yeah? So this will be the kind of stocks that you can look at in order to maximize your capital returns. So how about some people will be asking like, hey, what if I'm looking for stocks, right, that will get me income, you know, like passive income. That means you're looking at dividend stocks. Now, if you're looking at dividend stocks, how do you get better dividend stocks and passive income strategy using the stock market crash 2020? I'm going to talk about it in my next video. So if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, whereby when I upload this video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you like this video, do me a favor, yeah, please click on the share button, click on the like button as a way to pay me for my effort and my research done for all these videos. Yeah, and that will really help me in my algorithm as well, and I will deeply appreciate your like. Okay, so look forward to see you in my next video and stay tuned.